Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see about top important shortcuts for text editing in Google Spreadsheet. Okay, let's get into that. The first shortcut, we are having a common shortcut named as making a content to bold. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl B. And the second shortcut is making the content to italic. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl I. And the third shortcut we are having is making the content to underline. And the fourth shortcut we are having is striking the content of a specific cell. So that can be done by clicking Alt Shift and 5. So Alt Shift and 5. And the next shortcut we are having is making the content to align left. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift left. So the content got aligned to left, right? So the next shortcut is making the content to center align. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift C. So the next shortcut is making the content to right aligned. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift R. So it got right aligned. The next shortcut is making the content to date column. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift 3. See, the entire content has converted into date format. The next shortcut is making the cell content to numeric value. So here I am selecting the net worth column and clicking Ctrl Shift 1. And if you check that, the entire value got formatted into numeric. And the next shortcut is making the content to percentage. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift 5. The next shortcut is making the content to currency format. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl Shift 4. The entire net worth values are converted into currency format. And if you want to change that currency, then you need to go format, number, more format, more currencies. Here you can select dollar or whatever is want to apply it. Yeah, it got converted into dollar. And some of the shortcuts need to be enabled manually, because in Excel wise some default shortcuts will be there. Apart from that, some shortcuts will be disabled, so that can be enabled if you want. So that can be done by clicking Help Keyboard Shortcuts, and you can see an option called Enable Comfortable Spreadsheet Shortcuts. So that you can enable it. So by default it will be in disabled status, and you need to enable it manually. Okay, so it got enabled. Now let me show you on how to align the specific cell content in the top. So that can be done by clicking Alt H A T. Yeah, if you check that, the entire content got top aligned vertically. So whereas the next shortcut is align the cell content to bottom aligned. So that can be done by Alt H A P. Yeah, so entire content got bottom aligns. And next shortcut is making the content center aligned vertically. So that can be done by Alt H A M. Yeah. So it will be moved to default status vertically middle aligned. Next shortcut is making the cell content to wrap text. So this will be a frequent shortcuts, this is a useful one. So this can be done by clicking Alt H W. So here if you check that, it got wrapped, the entire cell got wrapped. The next shortcut is increase the decimal values of a numeric value. So that can be done by Alt H 0. Here the decimal point value is getting increased. So like this you can increase the decimal point value. So the next shortcut is decreasing the decimal point value. So that can be done by Alt H 9. The next shortcut is a very important one, rotating the text tilt up. So that can be done by Alt O or P. Yeah. So here the text got tilt up. So the next shortcut is rotate the text tilt down. So that can be done by Alt O or W. Yeah, you can see the different tilt up and tilt down. The next shortcut is rotate the text stack vertically. So that can be done by clicking Alt O or V. Yeah, so the entire content is stacked vertically, and this shortcut will be used, and if you are using any chart diagram based, I'm repeating it to add the next shortcuts. The next shortcut is rotate the text to upper direction. So that can be done by Alt O or U. So the next shortcut is rotating the content to down direction. So that can be done by Alt O or D. So here the content got rotated in the down direction. First one is the upper direction, down direction. And finally we are having one more important shortcut named as a clearing that formatting. So that can be done by clicking Ctrl/. If you see that entire content selected ranges are got removed, the formatting were removed entirely. Okay, so hope it helps you, and see you again with another useful video. Thank you for watching.